So, hello my dear friends, very good morning. Now, you know that this is my first class for UC first year students. So, first of all here I will tell you the name of the staff members which belongs to the maths department. So, here Department of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics. So, look here. So, you know that I am a new member to you. So, already one of the faculty member, and she is you know that Geeta Kamte engaged the class. So, I am the second person. So, here I will write the staff members. So, number one, who have already you are in familiar that Geeta Kamte, the first member who have already engaged the class. Second, myself. So, V.A. Galatge. My name is V.A. Galatge. Third one, so Girija. Kargopi. And fourth one is Vinya Khoth. Vinya Khoth. So, these are the four members who belongs to the PUC section. Okay. So, first already Geeta Kamte, who have engaged the class and already you know her personally. Myself, the second member, V.A. Galatge. I joined my duty in year 1991. Till today I am working here in the G.I. Bagodi College. And after that Girija Kargopi and Vinya Khoth. So, here already the second member. So, after you know that in the cricket team, so after one down, second member comes, cricket, that batsman, second member, third member. So, this is reserve, fourth member means may or may not come, Vinya Khoth, because he is for the PUC second year, she may come for the first year or may not come. Okay. But these are the three members who teach first year, means they handle first year PUC classes. Okay, my dear friends. So, first one, second one, third one. Okay. So, this is regarding our mathematics department. Now, my dear friends, after this, so you know that already 1 week have been passed, and after 1 week I am engaging today this class, and there is nothing to advise, because almost all faculty members might have given the suggestions and told everything regarding what to do for the PUC first year and second year. But even though I will try my level best to convince you. So, first of all, my dear friends, here first of all, here I am going to tell you, means I am giving some tips which are very difficult. You just think over it what I am going to tell you. Just pause this video and see that what I am going to tell you, because these are all difficult. You should follow that and you will get a trouble and very difficulty to practice these tips what I am going to tell you. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, so I will tell you what the tips are. So first of all, see my dear friends, for your career, so for first year PUC, second year means this PUC, one thing, you are all newcomers. So first one is, my dear friends, you have to develop first of all your personality development. Second, skill development, and number 3, academic development. Okay, so try to understand, my dear friends. These are the 3 things which you have to follow what I am going to tell you. So first of all, you have to develop your personality. Second, skill and academic. Okay, personality, vyaktimatva. What, my dear friends? Vyaktimat. How to develop the personality? So first of all, so my dear friends, I am not following this. I am telling you, I am giving you tips just like a formality. So I am talking about serious, and you have to maintain all these things, means you have to practice what I am going to tell you. So remember, so definitely success is with you. So first, personality development. How to develop personality? So for this, my dear friends, number 1, you have to practice daily yoga and meditation. Okay, so what here I am giving the advice to you, yoga and meditation. Okay, so remember here what I am telling. So first one, yoga and meditation. By practicing yoga and meditation, my dear friends, you will have what the benefits of this. You will have healthy mind. Okay, my dear friends. Number 2, healthy mind. चांगले मन, प्रसन्न मन. Next, healthy thoughts. चांगले विचार. What? चांगले विचार. And after that, my dear friends, number 3, you will have get rid of, means you will get rid of worries and fearness about examination. Okay, my dear friends. So these are the things by which you will have, if you practice this yoga and meditation, what will happen, my dear friends? It is benefited for healthy mind, healthy thoughts, get rid of worries and fearness about your examination. You will get my dear friends, and one more thing I will tell you. So positive thinking. Positive thinking will be developed. You will not have negative thinking. Means मी फेल झालो तर काय, मी पास होतो का नाही. So these worries will be not there if you practice this yoga and meditation. Okay, my dear friends. So काय बाळांनो, healthy mind. Second, healthy thoughts means चांगले विचार येतात, वाईट विचार येत नाहीत, विचार चांगले यायला पाहिजेत. ओके, अँड गेट रीड ऑफ वरीज अँड फिअरनेस अबाउट. तुम्ही विजय मिळवू शकता कशावरती, चिंता आणि भय ह्यावरती विजय मिळवू शकता. अँड आफ्टर दॅट पॉझिटिव्ह थिंकिंग मीन्स यू विल नॉट नेट माझं असं झालं तर काय, तसं झालं तर काय. यू विल नॉट हॅव सच वरीज माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स. यू विल थिंक ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्हली. हे होणारच, माझं काय डिस्टिंक्शन होणार, मी 100पैकी 100 घेणार. ओके, So this is what we call this as positive thinking. So if you practice this yoga and meditation, you will have healthy mind, healthy thoughts, get rid of the worries and futures about the exam, and positive thinking, no negative thinking. Okay, so this is the first what for the personality development. This is the first case which you have to follow. Okay, so my dear friends, it is very difficult. बघा बाळांनो, काय म्हणालो, त्रास घ्यायचं म्हटल्यावर घ्यायलाच पाहिजे. तुम्ही त्रास घेतला तरी सगळं शक्य आहे बघा. कारण का सकाळी उठायचं, योगा करायचं आणि सो मेडिटेशन करायचं म्हणजे तेवढं सुलभ नाही. सकाळी उठायची गोष्ट फर्स्ट पहिला उठायला पाहिजे लवकर, आणि उठल्यानंतर ह्या सगळ्या क्रिया करायला पाहिजेत. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ suggestion I am giving you for what? Personality development, which is practicing daily yoga and meditation. Okay, after that, my dear friends, second, so look here, you have to consume healthy food. This is very important, my dear friends. Healthy food at proper time. काय म्हणालो, लक्ष द्या बाळांनो. प्रॉपर टाइम, हेल्दी फूड ॲट प्रॉपर टाइम. व्हॉट आय एम टेलिंग, ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. समजण्याचा प्रयत्न करा, समजून घ्या. सो हेल्दी फूड अँड प्रॉपर टाइम. काय हेल्दी फूड आहे? पिझ्झा, बर्गर. ओके, नॉट दीज आर हेल्दी फूड्स. बिकॉज वेन आय वॉज ए स्मॉल किड, आता काय फॅशन झाले, ब्रेकफास्ट जाम घेतलं, ब्रेड घेतलं, लावलं, खाल्लं, शेवपुरी, भेलपुरी, पाणीपुरी. मला माहिती आहे. ओके, आय नो दॅट. काय बरं, पुरी बासुंदी आणि काय श्रीखंडपुरी. पुरी श्रीखंडला लावून खायचं माहिती आहे. पुरी ह्याच्यात बुडवून, श्रीखंडमध्ये बुडवून खायचं माहिती आहे. आणि आता काय फॅशन झाली आहे, पाणीपुरी. मला माहीत नाही, पाण्यात पुरी बुडवायचं नाही, पुरीत पाणी घालायचं आणि घालायचं. ओके, सो दीज आर नॉट ऑल हेल्दी फूड्स. ओके, सो दीज आर नॉट ऑल हेल्दी फूड्स. आम्हाला माहीत नव्हतं अगोदर. वेन वी वर ए स्मॉल किड, न्याहारी केलं काय, सकाळी उठल्यावर भाकरी खाल्ले, 2 भाकऱ्या खाल्ल्या, चटणी काय नसलं तर दही चटणी खाल्ली, झालं. आता उठल्यावर काय करायचं, सगळं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. आता नाउ डेज व्हॉट दी फॅशन हॅव बीन बिकम. So avoid all these things. You have healthy time and at proper time. Okay, so my dear friends, pizza, burger, all these are harmful to your health. So you have to eat healthy food. Okay, and what healthy food, that is a different thing. We have to discuss that one, a special class. It is not a time at present. आता विषय नहीं तो. Okay, so these are the things what I am telling. So first, when I went to the city, when I was a very small kid that time, I went and one of my friend ordered that, काय केलं, ordered in the hotel that hot dog सांगितलं. हॉट डॉग म्हटल्यावर मला विचार पडला, मेनू बघितलो, हॉट डॉग म्हणून होते. सो हॉट डॉग म्हणजे आता काय, हे गरम कुत्रं कसं खायचं. ओके, सो आय सरप्राईज दॅट वन. सो दॅट इज अ हॉट डॉग मीन्स काय नसतं त्यात, ब्रेड असते, त्यामध्ये काय काय समोसे हे घालायचं, वर घालायचं, जरा डिझाईन करायचं आणि आणून द्यायचं. ओके, सो ऑल दीज आर नॉट हेल्दी फूड्स. सो अंडरस्टूड व्हॉट आय एम टेलिंग. सो अवॉइड ऑल दीज थिंग्स अँड हॅव ए हेल्दी फूड ॲट प्रॉपर टाईम. वेळेवर जेवणे, वेळेवर खाणे, ह्यालासुद्धा फार महत्त्व आहे. ओके, सो इफ यू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, 50% of your work completed. Means you will have a very good future, my dear friends, in the this PUC career. Okay, my dear friends, what I am telling, try to understand. These are the things. First, you have to practice yoga and meditation, for which you will have healthy mind. It will develop by practicing this. Your mind will be developed. Healthy mind will be healthy thoughts, get rid of worries and fearness about the examination, positive thinking. Okay, and if you have healthy food at proper time, again it will be booster for this whatever you practice this one. Okay. After that, my dear friends, we'll go for the next. What is that? A skill development. Okay. Second case I am taking, my dear friends, a skill development. बाळांनो, मी काय सांगालोय हे लक्षात घ्या. This is not as a formality I am telling you. So you practice, you come into actual practice. If you do all these things actually and daily, so surely there is a what? Success. After that, second one we are taking as a skill development. For the skill development, what you should do, my dear friends, you have to keep the habit of reading. So first, number one, habit of reading. वाचन असायला पाहिजे. Reading and what? चिंतन पाहिजे. You have to think over it, what you have reading means carefully. You have to just वाचायचं नाही. Okay. So this is first thing. After that, my dear friends, attempt the questions which are asked in the previous competitive examination. Means solving questions. Solving what? Intellectual questions. Intellectual questions from काय बरं? Intellectual questions from competitive examination. From competitive examination, you have to solve intellectual question. Means try to solve. Take the previous question papers, old question papers, which are from CET. There are many competitive examination. You have to take all those and you have to practice one by one. Okay. And after that, my dear friends, number 3, you have to practice, daily practice. What you have to practice? Solving mathematical, physical, intellectual questions. Okay. By which your brain will be developed. And that is nothing but a skill development. Okay. So सतत प्रयत्न करत राहायचं, वाचायचं, सोडवायचं, गणित सोडवायचं, बिडसोदो. Okay, practice makes man perfect. So if you go on doing this, afterwards 100%, my dear friends, you will have a success. What I am telling, I hope you understand. So these are the things you have to. And after that, number 4, my dear friends, number 4, you have to attend all competitive examination. Attend competitive examination. You have to attend competitive examination. What I am telling, are you understanding? So remember this. You wherever possible, means don't leave the opportunity. If you have any examination opportunity, when you get for the attending, surely you go and attend that examination. Because attend means not simply attending. जायचं आणि वचच गोळ्या घालून गुंड घालून यायचं नाही. कारण का all competitive examination, multiple choice questions are there. Means one among the 4 options, you have to select one of the 4 options. Means you have to what? Tick one of the A, B, C, D like that. 4 options. Correct option should be chosen and it is written there. So जायचं आणि वचच गोळ्या घालून यायचं नाही. Okay. For that you have to work sincerely and then you have to attend. That is benefited. And going simply attending sir सांगितल्यात जायचं आणि काय करायचं ಹೋಗೋದು ಬರೋದು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಜಯ ಮಾತಾದಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಿ ಹಾಕೋದು 2 ಹೋಗೋದು ಜಯ ಮಾತಾದಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ the questions in the previous from what? There are many books you have to refer and previous question paper you have to solve and then you have to attend the examination. Means what is that? Attend all types of competitive examination. So this is for the what, my dear friends? The skill development. This is for the skill development. After that we shall go for what? Academic development, my dear friends. I will go next for academic development. Okay, here it is. See, my dear friends, I have written here only third one, academic developments. For this, what you should do, very important here, you have to, first of all, you have to attend all the classes. Attend all classes. Don't bunk any of the class. Okay. Now you know that the classes are going online and we don't have any watch on you. आम्ही तुम्ही काय करायला आम्हाला माहीत नाही. आता व्हिडिओ आता झाल्यानंतर हे सोडणार आम्ही, तुम्ही बघणार, तुम्ही बघता काय नाही हे बी माहीत नाही आम्हाला. ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಯಾರು. ಆದರೆ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ do like this sincerely. When as soon as you get the video, you have to watch that, you have to see that one, what the faculty member had delivered the lecture. You have to listen that carefully. You have to write whatever the examples or theorems or whatever written on the board or in the computer by the faculty member, and you have to follow that, you have to practice that, and if anything not understood, you have to ask that particular faculty member personally. Okay, so you have to do this much. This is first thing. Okay, and when classes will start, you have to attend regularly, and you have to listen carefully the lecture delivered by the faculty member, and whatever the things written on the board, you have to note down those, and you have to think over it, and if any query, any question is there, any difficulty is there, you have to ask that particular faculty member. Okay, what I am telling, I hope you understand, you follow this. And one additional thing I will give you my best suggestion for you: don't sit in the classroom with your friends, because if you sit with your friends, what happens, always you will be in discussion. I am not talking about, you may discuss about that the things that present going on there, but you may discuss the things which are not concerned at all to that class. तू काल कुठे गेलतास, कुठलं शनिवार बघितलास, these are the things you will discuss that one. So don't do like that. You sit with not with your friend, but some person or your student friend who is not your close friend. Don't sit with your close friend. Follow this. मित्राबरोबर बसायचं नाही, जिगरी दोस्त बरोबर बसायचं नाही. जिगरी दोस्त बरोबर असलं तर काय होते, कायम डिस्कस करतच बसायचं होते. काय क्लासमधलं ओके समटाईम करचिला, पण ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, तुम्ही दुसरंच काय तर डिस्कशन करत बसणार. सो डोंट डू लाईक दिस. व्हॉट आय एम टेलिंग, ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड दिस. ओके, दिस इज फर्स्ट. अँड सेकंड, माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स, सेकंड, अंडरस्टँड द कन्सेप्ट. लक्षात घ्या बाळांनो, मी हे काय सांगलो, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इट इज. सेकंड, ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड द कन्सेप्ट. डोंट बायट द सब्जेक्ट. अंडरस्टँड द सब्जेक्ट. Understand the concept of that subject. Okay, and by understanding, try to remember that one. Okay, so उगाच ब्लाइंडली बायड करायचं नाही. त्यातला एक शब्द बदलला तर काय होते माहिती आहे, तुम्ही बघितला असाल आता 3 Idiots द मूवी. सो व्हॉट दॅट वन ऑफ द पर्सन डिलिव्हर मीन्स भाषण देतो त्यावेळेला काय काय होते परिस्थिती याची, कारण का त्याला काय माहितीच नसते त्यात काय आहे. So don't do like that. Okay, so understand the subject, understand the concept of the subject, read it carefully, and about that next you want, if it is possible, if it is not possible to remember you at once or twice, you can buy it, but you have to understand the concept of that subject. Okay, or when a particular definition is there, you buy that definition, but don't buy it blindly. Understand that what that definition gives the meaning, and then you buy that one. So understanding concept is very, very important. Okay, understanding the concept is very, very important. After that, my dear friends, number three, you have to practice daily whatever the things taught in the classroom. Daily you have to take those things and you have to practice. For example, suppose we have one chapter we have taken, for example trigonometry, set theory, whatever it is. Okay, so you have to take that one, you have to think that one, you have to read that, and you have to practice the examples whatever done in the classroom. Okay, first if it is possible, okay, no problem, बायला जमलं नाही तर बघून लिहा, काय हरकत नाही, 2 वेळा लिहा, तिसऱ्या वेळा आपोआप येते असते. सो लाईक दिस यू हॅव टू प्रॅक्टिस. ओके, अँड वॉट एव्हर यू रीड, वॉट एव्हर यू प्रिपेअर फॉर द एक्झामिनेशन, त्याचं चिंतन व्हायला पाहिजे. त्याचं काय व्हायला पाहिजे? चिंतन व्हायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे इट शुड बी कुक्ड इन दी ब्रेन, इट शुड बी रेडी टू ईट. मी काय म्हणतो समजले? कुक्ड म्हणजे काय? शिजून तयार झाला पाहिजे. शिजून तयार म्हणजे डोक्यात काही अन्न शिजत नाही. सो वॉट एव्हर यू रीड दॅट शुड बी कुक्ड इन दी ब्रेन, अँड व्हेनेवर नेसेसरी यू कॅन युटिलाइज दॅट. अंडरस्टूड वॉट आय एम टेलिंग? सो हे लक्षात ठेवा, फक्त महत्त्वाचं. ओके, काय वाचतात ते काय व्हायला पाहिजे? चिंतन व्हायला पाहिजे. चिंतन समजलं? आता एक थेरम आहे, एक एक्झाम्पल आहे. आपण काय केलं? वाचलं, तयारी केलं, डोळं झाकायचं, शांत बसायचं, आणि काय वाचलो आहे, काय काय आहे त्यामध्ये आपण आठवायचा प्रयत्न करायचा. ते सगळं दिसायला पाहिजे आणि सगळं आठवायला पाहिजे. ओके, सो यू डू लाईक दिस. इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स. अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज वॉट द थर्ड थिंग. अँड आफ्टर दॅट माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट fourth one. So you have to participate in all other activities apart from the study. म्हणजे स्पोर्ट्समध्ये, गॅदरिंगमध्ये, ह्याच्यामध्ये गॅदरिंग तर नसतेच आता, बट इन अदर ॲक्टिव्हिटीज यू हॅव टू इन्वॉल्व, सो दॅट यू विल हॅव सम कॉन्फिडन्स विल बी डेव्हलप्ड, अँड यू विल हॅव वॉट मीन्स इम्प्रूव्हमेंट in your what personality. That is also one more additional thing, my dear friends. You have to participate in all activities apart from the study. Okay, so this is also very important. And after that, my dear friends, so you can next you can take the what you can follow, and you can take the advice from the senior scholars, students, senior, what I am telling, are you understanding? Senior scholars, students, your senior friends. मी काय सांगायला समजाले? सिनियर फ्रेंड त्यांना फॉलो करू शकतात. त्यांचे काय काय केलेत परीक्षेला अचीव व्हायसाठी. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ, ಎಷ್ಟು अभ्यास ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ, ಎಷ್ಟು तास ओततेरो, हे सगळं तुम्ही काय करायचं? त्यांनी फॉलो करू शकता. ओके, फॉलो करू शकता म्हणजे विच फिट्स फॉर यू, विच इज सुटेबल फॉर यू. अंडरस्टूड? नॉट ऑल दी थिंग्स. आता एकदा उदाहरण सांगतो तुम्हाला. सो गुरुनाथ स्वामी, बिफोर दिस what NCERT syllabus, or the first NCERT syllabus, the 2014, you know that ते एक विद्यार्थी विश्वजित भोईटे, ओके, रात्रभर वाचत होता. तो रात्रभर, रात्री बसला तर सकाळी पहाट झाल्यावर चिमण्या कावळं ओरडा लागल्यावर झोपणार. तर तुम्हाला फिट असं तसं जमत असलं तर तसं बसायचं, नाही तर बसायचं नाही. ओके, तो केला म्हणून आपण करायचं नाही, वाडेमीठ उचीला. Okay, what I am telling, are you understanding? And I was telling that Gurunath Swami, that all these are scholars, stood first to the college, and before that NCERT old syllabus होता, त्यावेळा तर किती अवघड होतं तुम्हाला माहीत नाही. Okay, at that time he has done 97%, my dear friends, Gurunath Swami. Okay, now he is working in Pune, understood? So Hyderabad and Pune. So what I am telling, try to understand. So that Gurunath Swami told the students what he used to study for 16-17 hours daily. 16-17 तास उरलं किती? ओके, 6-7 hours. त्यामध्ये 6-7 hours मध्ये सगळं आटपत होतात अदर ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, अँड ऑल 16-17-18 hours यू यूज फॉर स्टडी पर्पज. ओके, आणि ते तुम्हाला जमणार आहे. सो करायचा प्रयत्न केला तर दुसऱ्या दिवशी ॲडमिट होता तुम्ही. ओके, सो ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट आय एम टेलिंग. सो विच एवर फिट्स फॉर यू, विच एवर इज सुटेबल फॉर यू, यू हॅव टू फॉलो दोज. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज that is fifth suggestion for you. Okay, after that, my dear friends, I will tell you next, this college life you have to enjoy. Okay, असं नाही की बुकवर्म, काय म्हणतात की त्याला पुस्तकातला किडा, don't like me. So you have to enjoy your college life also, understood? And enjoyment is how you should first give preference to the duty, your study, and then secondary it is enjoyment, that is next one. Okay, and after that regarding examination, so I will tell you briefly my dear friends, because it needs a full class for that. I will discuss that in the next session. I will give the what regarding examination, what regarding main examination, CET competitive examination, that will be the different. Okay, so here briefly I will tell you my dear friends, examination. First year your board examination, and after that board exam, and after that what CET or competitive examination. Okay, two categories. Okay, board examination and CET, JEE, NEET, all these are the examination will be conducted. So first year you have to attend for your college examination, not board examination is there, and CET and board examination which will be for the PUC second year. So board examination means you have to attend the question paper you will get from the Bangalore, but at present this year you are getting the question paper from the Chikkodi, okay, board, that district, Chikkodi district, and no CET for first year. Okay, but even you can attend other competitive examination, that I will give regarding that in the next session, but not now at present. Okay, so for examination, PUC first year examination, the remaining examination I will tell you that in the next, not now, today. So what you should do my dear friends, so you have to, there are many books which are to be referred, but my dear friends, you can refer any number of books, कुठली भी बुक वाचा किती और, but one book should be there with you. नाहीतर असं काय होणार, 17 वाचलं एक ना धड 12वर चिंध्या, अशी परिस्थिती होणे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कीप वन फिक्स्ड बुक फॉर युअर रेफरन्स. मी काय सांगतोय ऐका, लक्षात घ्या. नाहीतर सगळं वाचला, इकडलं ते बुक घेतला, ते बुक केला, ते घेतला, 17 बुक वाचला, डोक्यात काहीच नाही, काय उपयोग त्याचा. नाही ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ತಿಳಿದೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ರಿಫರ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಒನ್ बुक फॉर दी रेफरन्स फिक्स्ड, अँड व्हॉट यू फाइंड, तुम्हाला कुठलं एक बरं वाटते बुक ते ठेवा पुढं, अंडरस्टूड. अँड अदर थिंग्स विच यू डू नॉट मीन्स यू गेट कन्फ्युजन इन दॅट, यू कॅन टेक अनदर बुक्स फॉर दी रेफरन्स. यू मेक इट क्लिअर अँड राईट, आणि स्वतःचं एक तुम्ही नोट्स तयार करू शकता याच्यावर. ओके, नाहीतर असं व्हाय नको की 17 बुक केलं, ते बुक चांगलं आहे म्हणून ते घेतला, अनेकटा सांगितला ते बुक चांगलं आहे म्हणून ते घेतला. सो इफ यू डू लाईक दिस, देर इज अ कन्फ्युजन. एक ना धड 12वर चिंध्या, you will not achieve the goals. Okay, so what I am telling, try to understand. But my dear friends, for your kind information, I will tell you. So I have my own books, you can refer for those. Okay, I will tell you, I will show that books my dear friends. So here this is my dear friends, I hope you can see here, this is a passing package for the first year students. Okay, so this you don't refer at present now my dear friends, you are initiator, and this is the students for the whom it is very get difficult in passing. For those students I have made this book. Okay, see here, this book is I hope you can see my dear friends, बघू शकता नाही. Okay, so I hope my dear friends you can see here, this is a book, you can see this which is a passing package. Okay, passing package. Okay, but this is in case if you get difficulty in passing, for such students is there. But my dear friends, another book is there, this is that another book, see here. Okay, this is the another book which is Achievers package. So you will get the questions and answers in this. You can refer this book, you prefer this, and if you prefer this book, 100% my dear friends, you will have achievement. Okay, so you will score good number of marks. Try to understand. So this is for Achieve package, means this is for all students. You can take this book and you can start referring and preparing for the examination since beginning, since now, attapasun. Okay, so this is very important. Try to understand. So here the book is, name of this book is Achieve package, and here everything is there written. Here the name is our college name, here college logo is there. So I have prepared this Achieve package. You can take this book, you can refer this and you can follow that one. Okay, so this is Achieve package book, and this is passing package book. This is don't use at present this book. In chance, by chance, if it is necessary, you can take that finally, but at present, in the beginning, you have to refer this book. Okay, I hope you understood. So these are the two books, and there are many books written for the PUC second year. So that is a different matter. So refer all the books, and if you want, there are many books. Prescribed book is there, provided by the government. You can use that also. So here in this book, I will tell you, my dear friends, how this is. So here this is for PUC first year science examination. Everything is there. Here see that one, contents. First of all, contents, we have sets, relations and functions, topics, everything is given. After that, here total weightage for the examination, this is there. Okay, after that the first chapter, here marks are distributed, means part A 1 mark question, different question is there, answer is there. Okay, like this, questions, answers are there. You have to prepare this with figures, everything is there. See that one. Here next chapter, you can see that one. This book is available, my dear friends. You can use this and you can prepare for the examination. So here everything is given in the diagram, with the diagram everything is there, and questions answers are there, which is very important. Okay, and question papers are also there, which are previous question papers. Look here, previous question papers, and their answers are also there. Okay, so this is what I am telling. This is one of the very best book for the reference. You can use this book. Okay, and there are many books written by the different author. You can use that also. So my dear friends, after this finally last but not least, okay, so I will tell you, my dear friends, I will conclude by a Sanskrit slok, which is there, karmane vadika raste mahapaleshu kadachana mahakarma phaletrubhu mate sangastu akarmani. Try to understand. This is a slok which is from Gita, that Lord Bhagwan, what Krishna. So this is advised what it is. Karmane vadika raste mahapaleshu kadachana mahakarma phaletrubhu mate sangastu akarmani. So कर्म करते जाना, फल की इच्छा मत करना. फल भगवान कहता है, फल देने का हक मुझे है, मैं देता हूँ कर्म अनुसार. ओके, सो कर्म करते जाना, कर्म करते जाना, फल की इच्छा मत करना. फल अपने आप आपके पास आ जाएगा. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू वर्क सिन्सियरली, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. यू हैव टू वर्क सिन्सियरली. डोळ्यात तेल घालून अभ्यास करा. फल म्हणजे परीक्षेत तुम्हाला नक्की मिळणार. ओके, सो ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट आय एम टेलिंग. कर्मणे वादिका रस्ते महाफलेषु कदाचन महाकर्म फले त्रुभु माते संगस्तु आकर्मणी. ओके, सो दिस इज what a slok which is from Gita. Understood? So try to understand, take this for the inspiration and do according to this. हे सांगितलेल्या माझ्या गोष्टी लक्षात घ्या. फार अवघड आहेत, कारण का कथनी और करणी ह्यामध्ये फरक आहे. कथनी सांगायचं, करायचं काय नाही. ओके, कथनी आणि करणी हे दोन्ही सेम असायला पाहिजे. जे सांगतोय ते करायला पाहिजे. ओके, सो इफ यू डू दिस, achievement is there. Okay, my dear friends, so try to understand what I am told. Okay, what I told you, hope you understand this, follow this, and today we conclude this, and in the next session we shall continue. Okay, thank you very much.